Well, look, as I've said, he said hello, and we basically said hello, and I congratulated him on his grandchildren, as people tend to do, and that led to a conversation about those grandchildren who do sound great, um, and, uh, and that led to a conversation about his travels, and he told me what he had been doing in Phoenix and various things, and then we spoke about former Attorney General Janet Reno. But it really was a social meeting, and it really was in that regard. He spoke to me, spoke to my husband for some time on the plane, and then we moved on. And as I've said before, though, I do think that no matter how I viewed it, I understand how people view it, and I think that because of that, and because of the fact that it has now cast a shadow over how this case may be perceived, no matter how it's resolved, it's important to talk about how it will be resolved. Mm-hmm. It's important to make it clear that that meeting with President Clinton does not have a bearing on how this matter is going to be reviewed, resolved, and accepted by me, mm-hmm. because that is the question that it raises. Mm-hmm. So again, no matter how I viewed it, how I view the meeting, I think what's important to me is how do people view the Department of Justice because of that meeting? Mm-hmm. How do people view the team that's working on this case and has from the beginning because of that meeting? How do people view the work that we do every day on behalf of the American people, which we strive to do with integrity and independence? So that's the question for me, and that's why I felt it was important mm-hmm. to talk about what impact that meeting would have on the case, mm-hmm. which it won't. But in order to explain that, we have to talk about how it will be resolved.